In this video, you'll learn how to copy your referral link on Bitget, a popular cryptocurrency trading platform. By following these steps, you will be able to easily share your referral link with others. First, navigate to the Bitget website, ensure that you are using a device with an internet connection, and open your preferred web browser. Type in the Bitget URL in the address bar. Press enter. Once the website loads, you should see the homepage, which will feature various trading options and market information. Next, locate the profile icon on the top right corner of the page. This icon typically resembles a person or a silhouette. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. After clicking, you will be presented with several options related to your account settings. After that, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This action will redirect you to the settings page where you can manage your account preferences. Allow a moment for the page to load completely, ensuring you are on the correct screen before proceeding. Once you are on the settings page, find and click on Dashboard. This will take you to your account's dashboard where you can see various account details. Wait for the dashboard to fully load as it contains essential information related to your profile. Then look for the My Profile option on the dashboard and click on it. This will bring you to a more detailed view of your account information. Ensure the page has loaded completely before moving on to the next step. Now, click on Info. This section will provide you with specific details about your profile. Take a moment to ensure that you are on the correct page before proceeding further. Next, locate the referral code option and click on it. This section is where you will find your unique referral link and code. Allow the page to load fully so that you can see the details clearly. Once you reach the referral code section, click on the code displayed, which should look like 2SRNDRXH. This action will highlight the code for copying. Wait for the confirmation that the code is selected before proceeding. Finally, copy the highlighted referral code. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy from the context menu or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Now, your referral link is ready to be shared with others, allowing you to earn rewards for referrals. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.